Good morning, folks. It is the 4th of August, 2021. It's about 15 minutes before the market's opening. Uh, the NASDAQ is down, the ES is down. So, not a whole lot going on right now. I'm going to be looking at the first 5 minute candle as usual to buy above the high, and if it goes, and then with a 5 point stop. But the way it's looking, I'd kind of like to see it just go on down a little more and then form a 1, 2, 3 reversal. So I will get back when things start happening here. All right, folks. I have just put in my order after the first 5 minute candle, and it's for the long side, and it's looking like it wants to go on down. So I've got it at 67 and a quarter, and the way it's looking right now, well, I think hopefully it'll come down and break this low, form a 1, 2, 3, and we'll buy the low of the day. So that's what I'm looking at. I'll be back when if anything changes here. Okay, folks, I just got filled at my order 60. That just got stopped out. It's kind of jumpy. I think I'm going to sit on the sidelines here, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys. So I got in the market again. I'd already taken a first loss on the first 5 minute candle, and then I did the 1, 2, 3. But we're keeping with my 5 point stop loss, and everything was looking bullish, like it should go on up. Over here, all the lines are crossed. I just I don't want to go over that 5 point stop loss. And here you have a good little turnaround. The moving averages are crossing over. It looks like it should be bullish, but I have to stick with my plan. And so I lost another $100, and I'm out for the day. So I will be back tomorrow, and hopefully have a winning day tomorrow. But we have our losses. We have to know when to get out and stay out too, because the market's just not acting like it normally does with my criteria I've set for it. So it could go on up though too. That's just the way things are. But it's going to go out without me. So I will make another video tomorrow, and hopefully you had a good trading day. And I did too. I mean, I just lost $200, but I still had a good trading day because I traded my plan or traded my plan. So have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.